Bonjour, bonjour. Alors, aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le passé composé avec avoir. Hello, today we are going to look at the past tense with avoir. The past tense is used to express an action in the past which happened on one occasion. For example, I watched, I have watched. Here, in English, two ways of saying it. In French, only one. J'ai regardé. So, le passé composé is called le passé composé because it's composed or made of two things. Let's have a look at our SAP. The S is the subject, and here are the two things, an auxiliary and a past participle. The subject is a person or thing who or which does the action. The auxiliary is either avoir or être, and we will see how to use which one. And the past participle is watched in I have watched. Most verbs, as you would be happy to know, take avoir. However, there are 16 which use être. Now, how do we know which one to use? For être, please go and have a look at my QR code on the past tense with être, and you will remember Dr. and Mrs. Van der Tromp. But for the time being, we are concentrating on avoir. Regular past participles are easy to form when you use avoir. If it's an ER verb, just put an E with an accent. If it's an RE verb, you just put a U. And if it's an IR verb, it just changed into an I. Unfortunately, there are some irregular ones. Let's have a look at them. Faire, to do, to make, becomes fait. Lire, to read, becomes lu. Devoir, to have to, or must, becomes dû, with a little accent on top of the U. Pouvoir, can, be able to, become pu. Vouloir, must, or have to, voulu. Boire, to drink, bu. Avoir, to have, eu. Bit of a difficult pronunciation here. I say it again, eu. Être, to be, été. But be very careful. The past participle does not agree with the subject when using avoir. You will not add an extra E or an extra S. Let's have a few examples. For example, he played. We know that to play is jouer. This is a regular verb. We know that he is il, having got rid of the infinitive. With il, what avoir follows, it's il a. And because I said that if it was regular, you just put an E with an accent. Here we go. Il a joué. Very easy. Let's have an example with an irregular one. They drank. We know that to drink is boire. We know that boire is irregular. So we put else. Again, it's feminine plural. With L, the avoir auxiliary is on, but the boire is going to completely change into bu. And as you can see, I have not added an extra E or an extra S. I hope this was helpful. Please have a look at my QR codes and see you very soon. Bye!